A complete Galaxy S20 Fan Edition spec sheet sheds more lights on the chipset option. The full spec sheet pertaining to Galaxy S20 Fan Edition leaked earlier today along with the gallery of renders. The leaked data reveals everything there is to know about this upcoming device and also sheds more details on the Samsung Galaxy choices of processor. Earlier leaks suggest that Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be available in two configurations, one sporting the Snapdragon 865 SoC and the other is making a use of Samsung in-house Exynos 990 solution. Now, according to the fresh data gathered by WinFuture, the Snapdragon 865 chipset will be employed by Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, whereas the Exynos 990 chipset has been reserved for the 4G variant. It is also being reported that the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is coming with the 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage of UFS 3.1. Regardless of whether it's going to be a 5G or LTE variant, there is no mention of expandable storage. Other connectivity features included Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 6, a USB-C and NFC. The device ships with an eSIM and a nano SIM card slot. The upcoming device is equipped with 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2400 by 1080. The display is completely flat and has 120 Hz of refresh rate, unlike the Galaxy Note 20, which is limited to a 60 Hz. But similar to the S Pen device, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. Other details include an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is obvious because it is using an AMOLED panel, an IP68 rating, and a 4500 mAh for battery with a wireless power share compatibility that is paired with a 15 watt of charger in the retail box. So 15 watt of charging if available in the box, well, it is going to be a disappointing thing because I was expecting that Samsung should provide at least 25 watt of charging. This information has been gathered from the Chinese 3C certification, where it gives us the information that it is coming with a 15 watt of charging. So according to WinFuture, Android 10 is going to be seen in the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and an unspecified version of One UI 2 is being reportedly introducing in the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. But it's my guess that we will see a One UI 2.5 variant inside the S20 FE. Also, there are some camera details which has been leaked for the upcoming Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and according to the leakster, it has said that there is going to be a triple camera setup on the back side of the device, and it borrows a same 12 megapixel camera sensor from the Note 20 model, and it is going to be the main camera, which is coming with an optical image stabilization and dual pixel autofocus. The other camera sensor is going to be a 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter with 123 degree of field of view, whereas the third rear facing shooter is going to be an 8 megapixel telephoto unit with 33 degree of field of view, and it has also an option for optical image stabilization and autofocus. In terms of front facing camera, it is coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera, which also has an option for autofocus. The Galaxy S20 FE will be available in wide variety of colors including green, lavender, navy blue, orange, red and white. The device is expected to be unveiled at the end of the month or early October. We currently don't know about the pricing of the device yet, but if that device is going to cost you around $800, then there is a new device from OnePlus, the OnePlus 8T. It is also arriving at the same time, so better look at that device as well. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the S20 Fan Edition specification which has been leaked? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you want to keep yourself updated regarding the upcoming news for the S20 Fan Edition or any other news for the smartphone world, you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.